Hello everyone, in this video we discuss about the basic arrangement of dental instrument, their identification and their use. We have to arrange the instrument in the Kong kit in this way only. First we have to keep the diagnostic instrument, these four are the diagnostic instrument, then we have to keep the cutting instrument, then the mixing or the adapting instrument, and then the finishing and the polishing instrument. We have to arrange the instrument in this way only, that is diagnostic, cutting, adapting, finishing. We have mouth mirror, explorer, periodontal pro and the tweezer. Cutting we have enamel hatchet, hoe, spoon excavator, chisel, gingival marginal trimmer. Adapting we have cement spatula and the plastic filling instrument. Then we have two condenser, that is round condenser and the parallelogram condenser. Then we have the carver, diamond carver, Hollenbach carver and the Watts carver. We have the ball burnisher. Mouth mirror we have handle, shank and the mirror. Uses are the mouth mirror are used for the indirect vision, means the area which are not accessible with the direct vision, or it also used to retract cheeks. Explorer we have two explorer in the Kong kit. This one is straight explorer and this one is arc explorer. These have the specification number 23 and the other end has the specification number 17. Explorer have handle, shank and the exploring tip. This is straight explorer. Explorer are used to detect caries. This is Periodontal Pro or the Williams probe. This has the mark. Periodontal probe are used to detect the pocket depth or to check the bleeding on probing. It has marking. 4 and 6 is missing in the Williams probe or the Periodontal probe. This one is tweezer. This is used for placing cotton roll in the oral cavity or holding. This one is enamel hatchet. This is enamel hatchet. This is used to cut or cleave the undermined enamel in the proximal cavities. This one is chisel, and chisel is used for cutting enamel. You can see the working in like this. This one is spoon excavator. This is used to remove the soft carious lesion. You can easily appreciate the working end. This one is shank, handle, and this one is hole. You can easily appreciate and differentiate between chisel and hoe. Chisel is straight, you can see this, and hoe, this one angulated. This one is GMT or gingival marginal trimmer. We have paired GMT, one is mesial and one is distal. How will you differentiate between mesial GMT and the mesial marginal trimmer and the distal marginal trimmer? This I will explain. Look at this mesial marginal trimmer. Look the working end tip, how it is, and this one is distal. This one is like this, you can easily appreciate, and the distal is like this. GMT are used for beveling and rounding the axiopulpal line angles. Now, how we will differentiate between enamel hatchet and the GMT? Look, this enamel hatchet, this one is working end is almost straight and this one is curved. You can easily appreciate it when you. These are cement spatula. This is used for mixing cement. This one is plastic filling instrument. This plastic filling instrument is used for carrying and placing composite resins. These are condensers. These are used for condensing or compacting amalgam. Two type of condenser. This one is round condenser. You can easily appreciate the round end. Look at the end. And this one is parallelogram condenser. Look this end. It's easy to differentiate between round and the parallelogram condenser. Now these are the carver. The first one is Hollenbach carver. These are used for carving the restoration, amalgam restoration. This one is Hollenbach carver. Look at the end. This one is diamond carver. You can appreciate this, the diamond shape. And this one is Watts carver. Now diamond carver, it's easy to differentiate between these two carver as it's a different shape of the working nail. Just look at this, just like arrow. And this Watts and Hollenbach, how will you differentiate? Look at the angulation. Look, this Watt carver and this Hollenbach carver. This one is ball burnisher. It's easy to identify ball burnisher. Look at this working end. This is like this. This ball burnisher are used to make the surface smooth, shiny and polished. You can easily appreciate ball burnisher. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any query regarding this dental instrument, you can contact us through mail. Other details are mentioned in the description box. Thank you.